I'm John Hartgraves, Superintendent of Hico ISD in Hico, Texas. We're standing in our lower elementary building, which we installed with the help of Ramtech, and we did a consolidation of campuses, and we went from 3 to 2, and we needed 8 elementary classroom buildings. So we began to search for a solution. We started with a brick and mortar solution, couldn't afford that, so we began to look at modular classrooms. Looked at a lot of different places and visited the Ramtech campus, and on that campus we were able to tour a 6-room classroom demo, and a lady named Sabrina Queen took us through that process, and we learned that a modular building can be a very high quality building. She showed us the construction of the building. We were impressed with that. We were impressed with how much it looked like a classroom, and a very good size usable classroom. Sabrina then took us through the construction area and showed us in the factory how these buildings were put together. We were most impressed with that, and so we went with Ramtech. And the building started on time, and it was done quickly, and we dealt with a guy named Dennis Haas on this end, and Dennis told us at every step of the way what was happening, and gave us the timelines and stuck with those timelines. And then once the building was in place, he came back in and made sure we were pleased with everything, and we were. We now use this building to house our classes for pre-K, kindergarten, first grade kids, and it's also our ESL RTI building. In fact, the room we're standing in right now is the ESL RTI room, which was large enough to be split into 2 sections. So that's one of the benefits of having this building is the size. The price of the building was about 1/5 of a brick and mortar solution, and because it's new, I've been through here many times asking the teachers, does everything work okay? Is the lighting okay? Is the air conditioning okay? And they all say they feel like they're in a brand new school. They're so happy with it, the size, how everything works, and very pleased. We could not be more pleased with Ramtech and the service they provided to us. They followed up with us. Sabrina Queen has called me to make sure everything went okay and is still going okay. And I just feel like if we ever needed anything, they would be here. So definitely Ramtech is the way to go. It worked for us, and we couldn't be more pleased.